Welcome to our final episode of Campfire Cookin' with Outdoor Recreation. This evening I will be demonstrating how to cook a sweet, warm peach cobbler using campfire coals in under an hour. The first thing you need is a fire. Stack some logs and let them burn while you prep the ingredients in your Dutch oven. I am using a 10-inch Dutch oven which yields a serving size for 8 people using this recipe. Some instructions call for the pan to be lined with heavy tin foil, but after trying this method, I would recommend foregoing the foil as it does not save on cleanup time. There are 7 ingredients in this simple recipe, and the dry ones could be pre-measured to save on food storage space while camping. In a bowl, mix together 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 cup sugar, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. Mix the dry ingredients, then melt a half cup of butter and add to the bowl along with a cup of milk. Stir these ingredients until moistened, then pour into the Dutch oven so it is evenly spread. Next, drain 2 cans of peaches, making sure to save a cup of the juice. Add the juice over the peaches laid over the dough mix. Top with a sprinkle of sugar and dash of cinnamon to taste. The peach cobbler is ready to bake, so here we set the lid on top, making sure to line the lid over the top opening of the hole to allow steam to escape. Place the Dutch oven over half of the heat and then use tongs to lay the other half of coals over the lid. Cook for 30 to 40 minutes. Use a tool such as tongs or a stick to carefully lift the lid to check whether the cobbler is set and beginning to brown. You will notice that the dough has risen up and lifted the peach slices. Once it looks ready, remove from heat, but be careful since it'll be super hot. Set the oven off to the side and let it stand uncovered for 15 minutes while it cools before serving. Enjoy!